a string in C# is just a sequence of characters. Now, if I give you a literal sequence of characters like here and hello, to be recognized as a string, it must be enclosed in quotes. We've seen this before. Next, we consider string concatenation. Of course, we can do addition with numbers with the plus symbol. Because everything in C# is typed, we can have the meaning of symbols vary based on the type of the operands. So we can have a special meaning for the plus sign with a string. And here, let me just actually do it. Let's look at very, I'll put a space after it, plus hot, semicolon for C#. And what do we get? A single string with these two crammed together. So the idea of adding strings is just to concatenate them, cram them together. Again, notice that the only reason I have a space in here is because I have an explicit space here. I could vary that and get rid of the space, and then of course we would have it all running together. So this certainly works when you put in two strings, literal or not. But C# is a bit smarter. If you use the plus sign with a string, presumably you want a string result. So a second operand to the plus sign does not have to be a string, but it is then automatically converted to a string. Look at this example. So int x equals 3. Then I can look at, here is plus x. And of course this is an int, but what it produces is a single string. See, it's in quotes, and this is the string representation of 3. We can in fact do this concatenation with more than one thing. If I, instead of stopping there, I could say plus and concatenate on something else, like let's put a period at the end to make this into a sentence. And now we have, here is the first part, the 3, and then the period at the end.